Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study better and focus. First, establish a dedicated study space. This area should be free from distractions, helping your brain associate it with concentration. Next, set specific, achievable goals for each study session. For example, aim to complete 2 chapters or solve 10 problems. Finally, try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This structured approach significantly boosts focus. To truly boost your learning, move beyond passive reading. Instead, actively recall information by quizzing yourself or summarizing what you've just learned without looking at your notes. Try explaining complex concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Also, connect new material to what you already know. This creates stronger memory pathways, making information easier to retrieve later. Sustaining focus requires more than just willpower. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study routine to prevent mental fatigue and maintain peak performance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is crucial for memory consolidation and overall cognitive function. Additionally, keep your body fueled and hydrated. Drink plenty of water and opt for nutritious snacks to keep your energy levels stable. Minimizing distractions is key to deep focus. Start by turning off all notifications on your phone, computer, and other devices. Even a quick glance can break your concentration for several minutes. If your environment is noisy, consider using noise-canceling headphones to create a personal quiet zone. And for those looking to enhance their study space, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals linked in the description below. It can help create an ideal atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.